I'm Grant, this is Dadcrafted, and this is how I made a Wizard Wanted poster from the Harry Potter movies. Alright, let's go. So one of the really cool effects of the Harry Potter movies is the moving photographs and paintings, and especially the Wanted posters. I don't even think I was into Harry Potter the first time I saw the Wanted poster for Sirius Black from the Prisoner of Azkaban movie. I always thought it'd be kind of cool to make one for the boys, and maybe myself. And now that I have a Glowforge, I think I can make that happen. I can't really make the thing move, but I think there's some special effect type things I can do that will make this thing look like it came out of the wizarding world of Harry Potter. So without further ado, let's get some pics of the boys and see if we can make this thing come to life. I need you to make a scary wizard face, like you're a Death Eater. Any more?
That's all I have.
Okay, thanks. So now I want to take that picture and I want to turn it into a smoky, wizarding looking thing. In order to do that, I've got a few steps here, and this is all going to go really fast, but the best way to learn how to do this is to check the link in the description, because there's a really good video that explains how to do this really well, and where you need to get the brushes, and how to use Gimp to make this work. I'm using some smoke brushes, and again, links for all that is below. But this takes some time, and the video below explains it a lot better than I'm going to here, but basically there was a lot of playing around with some layer masking and some changes in opacity, but I kind of had to keep doing this over and over again until I finally got to a result that I was happy with. Now that I've got little buddy turned into smoke, it's time to make the actual frame for the Wanted poster. So I pull in an image of our good old buddy Sirius Black here on his Wizarding Wanted poster. I use this as a reference, basically just dial back the opacity and then keep playing around with the text until I get some text that I like and that looks good, and then just keep filling in the parts that I want. Then I bring my Wanted poster into Inkscape so I can convert it into a vector. I do a trace bitmap, and then I end up creating an extra layer to act as the contour so that it'll know it's the cutout line, and I convert it red, so then I've got my entire thing that's going to be cut out on the laser, and then all the detail, lettering, and whatnot is going to be left for engraving. Then I bring my SVG file into the Glowforge app and get it resized where I want it. I made this file so it would be about 11 by 14. With my size right, I hit ready, and you can see I've got about 2.5 hours. So, onto the laser. Beautiful. So we can do the photo engraving right on top of that. So then it was back to the computer and the Glowforge app, and now I can finally bring in my smoke picture, little buddy, and resize him to fit in the window of the poster. Oh man, now that is pretty freaking cool. Might have got a little blurry around that eye, but it's got a pretty good creepy factor about it that I was kind of looking for. And the smoke on the sides looks great. I mean, that's pretty cool. I present to you your very own Wanted poster.
I love it.
Just,
Huh?
no, that's fine. You keeping it?
Hey, Dad, can you hang it up on my wall?
Yeah.
The wall?
I need you to make your best wizarding face. No. No smiles. Come on. Wizarding face. Like, you're wanted. You're Harry Potter. You're on the run. You're sad. You're determined. You're angry that you've been kicked out of Hogwarts. You're on a wanted poster. They're gonna make you look scary, so use your scary face that like you just got. No thumbs up. No smile. Go back to the serious one. That wasn't bad. Okay. Good job. And then I did my smoke edit. Bam. We've got a wizarding pick. But I didn't want to repeat the same wanted poster, so I brought in the old undesirable number 1 wanted poster and tried to make my own file for that. Look at that. Sweet.
Here's mine.
Yeah. It's your very own wanted poster.
I'll keep it.
I wanted to weather the posters up a bit more, so I brought them back into Gimp and used this smoky paintbrush to just kind of touch up around the edges. That way I can take it back through the laser and make it look a little more aged. Have you seen this wizard? Yep, he's in the other room. Pretty sweet. But I wasn't stopping there. I had to make one for myself. Alright, here we go. Try to do with the hat. Surely one of those is gonna be good, right? The outside looks cool. My face is too dark. I mean, I'll keep it, but still pretty cool. So maybe it's just my ugly mug, but it took several iterations and I had to go back and forth several times until I could finally get this picture right. So it took several tries, but there's number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and finally, number 5. Perfect. Alright, if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to check out the playlist I've got queued up with our other laser projects, or just check out one of our other videos where we make all kinds of other geeky stuff. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.